Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here today, my name is Odds and I'm going to be sharing with you my morning and nighttime skincare routine. So if you're interested in this video and you enjoy it while you're watching, make sure to give it a big thumbs up. And if you're new here today, I would love for you to subscribe. I do 2 videos a week, beauty vlogs, theme park content, Marvel, DC. There's something on this channel for everyone, so be sure to stay tuned for that. And let's go ahead and get started with the morning. I use the Aveeno Calm and Restore Oats Cleanser for sensitive skin. I've been using this one for a little while. I enjoy the Neutrogena one as well, but this is just the one that I'm using. I thought it would be good and I do really enjoy it. Then I go in with the Pixi Glow Tonic on a cleansing cloud from e.l.f. and I think it just makes your skin look nice and glowy. And then I use a vitamin C serum. This is from Pacifica. This is the Glow Baby Super C serum. It's good. It's not, I like the e.l.f. one a little bit better. It's a little thinner. It looks nice and orange like vitamin C should. Then I use eye cream. I'll let you know I don't love this. This is the Revolution Vitamin C eye cream. I don't think it really brightens like vitamin C eye creams are supposed to. Just get a little tiny dollop here. Rub it between my 2 fingers and then go to town. Right, and then I use the e.l.f. Holy Hydration Face Cream with SPF. This is my second to last step. I just dab my finger and then dab it around my face. This one should come with a spatula like the melting cleansing balm does. That would be nice. And last but not least, I use the Laneige Lip Sleeping Balm. Those words are rubbing off. And no, I'm not going to sleep. It's a nice lip balm. And that's the morning. Right, we're gonna do nighttime skincare now. So, oh god, the cat wants to be up here. So I wash my face in the shower. I shower at night, just did. I use the Aveeno face wash, or I use the Neutrogena Fresh Foaming Cleanser if I'm wearing makeup that day. I did not, so I use the Aveeno. Then I go in with the Pixi Glow Tonic again on a little e.l.f. cloud, cleansing cloud. And I'm using the monitor as my mirror today. A very curious cat underneath me. I use either a moisturizer, a nighttime moisturizer, so I'm using the 4th Ray Beauty one, or I use a facial oil. I use the facial oil every 2 days or so, so I used this last night, so I'm not going to use this. This is the Good Molecules Pure Cold Pressed Rose Seed Oil. So this is the 4th Ray Beauty Soak It Up. I don't love this, but I'm just using it up. And then I have an e.l.f. one that I am going to use. I just don't love the smell. This smells like cucumbers. As you can see, it's thick too. I don't use an eye cream at night because my eye cream is for brightening and I don't feel the need to brighten things up because I'm just going to bed. Who says the cats are so solitary and elusive? Because my cat's obsessed with me. Then I use a lip exfoliator. This is the e.l.f. Cookies and Dream one. So I'll just... And my lips are looking rough. I like that. Feels really nice. And then I almost put my moisturizer on my lips, and then I use the Laneige lip sleeping mask, which I also use during the day. And that's it for the nighttime. Thank you guys so much for watching. I really appreciate it, and I hope to see you soon in my next video. I will see you on Wednesday with the first episode of Moon Knight. Bye!